Now let us create a inherited class as protected. So means we will be accessing the base as a protected class. So for this we will give access specifier as a protected. So now if you try to build it, so there is a error. So we are not able to access the base class as a protected because these are the public function public sections. So if you write protected, let us see. So now also there is a error. So for understanding the inherited class as a protected, let us write another program to understand it better. So let us create a base class with, let us delete something, and inside this let us declare first int I. Now we will create a protected section. Under this we will declare int j, one more variable, and let us create a public section. Under it we will declare int k and a function void set I, setting the value of I with int a. And inside I is equal to a, and one more function to get the value of I, and let us write return the value of I. So now this is our base class. Let us now write a class, inherited class derived, and we will access the base class as protected base, and inside this let us consider some public members, public, and declare some functions void. Let us try to set the value of j int a, and j is equal to a. So j is a protected here. We are getting the protected from the base. And let us write one more void set the value of k int a, k is equal to a. We forgot here a semicolon. Now everything seems to be fine. So k is also protected. Now int get j, return the value j, and one more function int get k, return the value k. So successfully we have also created a derived class which will access the base class as a protected specifier. So now let us start our main program starts with main, and now let us create a object for a derived object. We are creating the object for the derived class. Now ob dot set k, the value take it as 10, cout ob dot get the value of k. Now we will call set j. Let us give 12 and cout ob dot the function get j and l and return 0. Let us first try to build this and see the result first. There is an error at line 1. Let us see what the error is. Set I void set I. We forgot the semicolon, that's all. Here every statement should end with the semicolon. Okay, everything should be fine now. And now let us run it. See here. So this is how we can access the base class as a protected specifier. So we cannot write like object set I. We cannot set the value I. So what is I here? Because we don't have the functions inside. We have the now we are getting the base class as a protected. So these functions are not available, but these functions are available here. So void set I is not available to the derived class. Suppose let us try to write here ob dot set I 23. Now if we want to build it, it is showing the error. So the base member, the base class contains the public section here. You can not access the function directly because we are accessing it as a protected. If we access it as a public, everything the public will be available. But now because we are accessing is a protected, this public member added to this class becomes protected. So this function is now protected here. So this function can be accessed. How can we access this function? We should have to derive another class from this class to access this, because this is public to this class, but this is protected to this class. This method is now under the protection section, but these functions are public functions. That's why it is showing the error. We cannot access the function because we are accessing it as a protected. Hope you understood. See you in the next video. Be practicing, try to understand the logic.